An important part of the NEC mission is to educate musicians who are equipped with the critical thinking, writing, analytical, and interpersonal skills they will need to have successful careers in today's world. The Liberal Arts Department offers rich and varied opportunities for students to develop these essential professional skills. Its broad range of electives in literature and cultural studies, history and politics, philosophy, and foreign languages provide students with opportunities to study major academic disciplines, as well as cultural, social, intellectual, and political contexts for music.